this is Laboratory YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at sample cue card. Describe a time when you were friendly to someone you didn't like. So let's see what we have to cover in the cue card. Describe a time you were friendly to someone you didn't like. You have to cover the following cues for this cue card. When and where did it happen? Who he or she was? Why didn't you like this person, and explain why you were friendly to him or her on that occasion. Now let's see the sample answer for this cue card. Well, I'm a happy-go-lucky person, so I enjoy the company of others. However, here I would like to talk about a time when I had to be friendly with one of my classmates, Mike, who I didn't like. Mike used to be an arrogant guy, which was the main reason why I used to dislike him. Actually, last year there was a sports competition at our school or college in which our class had to take part. I have to say I got disheartened when I got to know that Mike is the captain of our cricket team. As he was appointed by our class teacher, I could not do anything because of this. I had no other choice but to cooperate with him throughout the tournament. I decided to tolerate his arrogance by avoiding him and focusing on my game. But in practice sessions, I was amazed by his sports skills as well as leadership qualities. He used to motivate all the teammates to give their best in order to win the final prize. At the same time, he gave me some wonderful strategies regarding my game, which really helped me improve my performance. Due to this, I started feeling comfortable with him while playing cricket. I must say, we were able to win the tournament because of his sports skills and captaincy. This tournament period changed my mind about Mike and we became good friends. So that was the time when I was friendly to someone I didn't like. So this was the sample answer to the cue card. So now we will look at the follow-ups for this particular cue card. Now let's begin with the first up. Why are people friendly with the person they don't like? I believe people are amicable with those they don't like because they don't want to create disputes among them. They think that they might need them in the future, so they always try to stay calm without showing their tantrums. For example, I always try to be friendly and polite with a friend whom I didn't like because I usually need his favor in studies. Next question is, what kinds of people are usually friendly? I think people who are extroverts are more likely to be friendly with others because they can begin a conversation with anyone, and people usually like to talk to such types of individuals. Also, people who are open in nature can have an amicable relationship with others. Next question is, what are the differences between being friendly and polite? I would say there is a big difference between having a polite and friendly nature. Being polite means to treat others in good manners without saying any bad word, while being friendly in more about one's amicable actions is their daily life. So these were the sample follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And we live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you.